Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, May 31. The Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, has officially launched a $40 million Energy Management and Efficiency Program, EMEP. It's aimed at reducing government's energy spend, targeting 80 state-owned facilities across the island.
It is anticipated that this program should see us saving some $4 million per year. The second component of this program, which is the Urban Transportation Management System, which involves upgraded traffic controllers, closed-circuit television cameras, will assist us with public safety and security.
The program is being funded by the Inter-American Development Bank, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, and the European Union Caribbean Investment Facility. It was launched on Wednesday during a workshop at the PCJ Auditorium in New Kingston. The Transport Authority will be developing a free taxi locator and safety application for smartphones and requiring all taxis to be fitted with a stipulated vehicle locator. These are among several major proposals to transform the public transportation sector announced by the Portfolio Minister, Robert Montego, in his sectoral speech yesterday.
We intend to lay out a program and after a 6-month period of consultation and fine-tuning, then move quickly to implementing.
Public passenger drivers and owners will be asked to advise the Transport Authority of changes such as their address and vehicle color with 2 weeks' notice. Drivers will also have to submit to an annual customer service training and will see their badges being suspended if more than 10 driver points are accumulated.
No driver will get a badge if he or she is a rapist, child molester, gunman, thief. Anyone caught running and operating an illegal taxi, these vehicles will be seized. It will be returned when proof is brought that you have applied for a road license. If it is seized again, it will not be returned.
Other key proposals include opening all routes, allowing potential operators to design and craft their own routes, then apply for it to be registered, and issuing permits for a 3-year period with annual renewal. To ease the pressure on Transport Authority workers, the minister also wants license renewals done in the owner's birth month rather than all at once in April. Minister Montego says government also wants to establish a city taxi system, and he revealed that the ministry was in possession of 2 applications for rideshare permits for Uber-type operations as seen in the United States. Government expects to complete divestment of the Norman Manley International Airport, NMIA, by the end of this calendar year.
The invitation for the bid is now open, and the 8 pre-qualified bidders have been invited. Assessment and evaluation will be done in June, July, and by September, October, we should be signing off with the preferred bidder.
In the meantime, the Transport Minister says the Airports Authority of Jamaica, AAJ, will be doing upgrading works to the Negril, Ken Jones, Tinsenpen, Lionel Desham, and Ian Fleming aerodromes this year. In addition, the AAJ is seeking a partner to set up an internal airline to assist with domestic movement of people and goods. Government will be merging its holdings in Clarendon Alumina Partners and the Jamaica Bauxite Mining Limited. The mining minister says he will then seek Cabinet's permission to sell shares in the newly merged entity to Jamaicans via the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Internal discussions have started and assistance will be sought from the Attorney General's chambers and the Development Bank of Jamaica to properly package the concept for listing on the stock exchange.
Clarendon Alumina Partners owns 45% of Jamalco, and Jamaica Bauxite Mining Limited owns 51% of the old Kaiser operations. Illegal street vending is to be eradicated as a multi-ministry program is to be implemented island-wide. The Ministries of Local Government and Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries are partnering on the initiative.
It is going to be zero tolerance on vending on the streets of this country.
The local government minister was speaking at yesterday's groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of a new Port Maria market in St. Mary. It will be built over a 12-month period at a cost of $56 million.
When you have a good market, it means that people will come from elsewhere to come here to ply their trade. So it means more people will come into the town of Port Maria.
And finally, The 10-digit dialing system for making local telephone calls takes effect today. It means persons will have to put the 876 area code before all 7-digit phone numbers. The new rule is being implemented as the Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, prepares to introduce a second area code, 658, once numbers under the current area code are exhausted. The public is getting a 5-month period from May 31 to October 30 to get used to the new system. During that time, callers who are still using 7 digits will hear a recording prompting them to dial 10 digits, but the call will go through. There is no 10-digit requirement for calling emergency numbers such as 119. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.